Frogs are a really fascinating group to work on because they're the most threatened group of animals anywhere in the world. So there's hundreds of species have gone extinct of frogs across the world in the last few decades. I think what was surprising about my research was that until I did this study, people had very little idea of whether fire would have any effect on frog populations at all. And while you'd think that frogs would be immune to the effects of fire because they're near water, in fact the majority of frogs in any given location won't be at a pond at any one time. I've really enjoyed my time at the ANU. I've been here a long time, I've done a lot of different things. So as well as being a PhD student, I've lectured here, I've worked as research assistant on different projects, and I've done field work in a large number of places over that period, and I've found it a really enjoyable experience. I probably spent about a year or a year and a half full-time in the field, if you put it all together. A lot of that was spending many dark nights in swamps where most people don't like spending a lot of their time. Two of my papers from my PhD have been published already, and they're hopefully having an influence on how people think about these problems in Australia and around the world. But the real hope was that this research would be able to be used by the people in the area in which I worked, which was Boonderee National Park on the south coast of New South Wales, and help them with how they manage fire on a yearly basis.